Introducing the Quick Cash Postcard and Flyer Program, the best mailbox cash money program on and offline. Dream homes, luxury cars, and an overflowing bank account. Earning $2,000 weekly how? With the Quick Cash Flyer or Postcard, Mailbox Cash Money Program. Exhausted by MLM gimmicks and endless schemes that never seem to pay off? It's time to flip the script. The Quick Cash Flyer or Postcard program is a new-age solution designed to pour consistent cash and stamps straight into your mailbox. Choose from our 3 lucrative levels. Whether you start with $200 or go big with $600, every package is power-packed with potential. From full data leads to grocery vouchers and even exciting getaways. We've got it all lined up for you. Think it's complex? If you can put a stamp on a postcard, then you're already a pro. Our elite MLM leads list of names, address, cell number, email address ensures you target the right audience every time. Just a handful of people joining under you can translate to thousands in your pocket. And scaling? Imagine earning a whopping $120,000 in a year. Ditch the 9-5 job, which means just over broke. No experience? No worries. If you can put a stamp on a postcard or envelope, then you're in business. Transform any space into your personal cash-generating hub. I pulled in $5,500 this week alone, and that's just from 600 flyers. This isn't just a program, it's a game changer. Why wait? Dive into the revolution today with the new Quick Cash Postcard or Flyer. Call 346-704-1754. Now, get started with the Quick Cash Flyer or Postcard program today. If lines are busy due to overwhelming demand, just leave us a message. We'll get right back. Go to www.allyourmoney.net to get started or call 346-704-1754.